66 Chrysler Imperial convertible. 440 engine. Original carburetor. It's got a 65 grill. Body looks to be in pretty good shape as far as rust and stuff. It's got a bad dent here. It's like somebody was trying to pull it out. The old school method. It does not have a back window. The top needs to be replaced. Got a lot of holes in it. He's used this tarp here to cover it up. There's the 66 grill in here, along with the panels in the back for the boot. There's a jack, some hubcaps, some extra lenses, a couple of extra carburetor. I believe he said the Carter Edelbrock back here does not go with the car. I can't really get you much on this side, but I've walked down and put a magnet. I have put a magnet on this car. It is it's solid. I've looked up on the left side of it, and it's solid. That's a refrigerator magnet. That's all I had with me. It sticks. Back seat is pulled up. Everything appears to be pretty solid back here from what I can tell. I mean, I don't want to. He does this piece here is right down the floor. Both seats are power. And it's got the you turn this knob right here, and the steering wheel goes up and down. Let me get you see how that goes. And turn it back to lock it, and then it's got tilt wheel, so you can adjust the steering column however you want it. There we go. You see the holes in the roof there. Pretty cool car. It's gonna need a lot of work, but it is a convertible Imperial. And the VIN number YM27J63138818. He does have a spare windshield for it. This piece of chrome is missing. I mean, not missing, it's incorrect for the car. He says that's the only piece that's not correct for it. That thing runs good, don't it?
It does. A little bit of smoke, but I bought some of that Chem 52, I think it is, something like that. I've always had good luck in old motors, get poured in the carburetor, and it kind of burns some of the varnish off the cylinders.
All right.
This allows the rings to go in and out.
I think that's going to be valve cover leaking right there.
I would guarantee.
Easy fix.
Yeah. Where that gas was going too.
Oh, was it? Okay.
Yeah, the gas was leaking out of this here.
Oh, I got it.
As well.
I got it. Okay.
But I mean, both sides are smoking. I bet you watch that. It needs that. You know. Here's like the wrong move around.
Bottom of this door looks good, folks. I got a dog right here, so I gotta be careful. He's okay.
Hey,
Shush.
get up.
God. Woo, Lord have mercy. And up underneath the trunk lid here. You know, I had that deal with a dog a few months back in May. He got a hold of me good. Put 8 puncture holes in my legs, so I'm a little. I don't know why he bit me. I won't do anything to him, but.
Say go see Mom. Go see her, and he'll walk around.
All right, folks.
Back here.
Lloyd McKee.
Back here in a minute. Yeah, I'll go see her.
I think we had a. You said a New Mexico. You saw something about New Mexico? Oh, right here.
That's where.
Okay.
You got it. The guy I got it from.
it.